meant to be fighting alone. That's why I'm taking you home. I never felt something like this before, no.
Breakfast from rush hour.
It's only just more than nothing. I don't keep tabs, but I can tell a zero from a one. Just a little bit of romance wouldn't stand a chance. It's only just more than nothing.
Number?
Nothing just ain't enough.
516. Ako.
No, I'm not on your back, and I'm not on my knees. I don't push or pull, and I'm not that hard to please. Don't wanna be all up in your business, but I'm not even on your mind. I'm not breathing down your neck. I'm just looking to spend some quality time, and that would be fine. It's still just more than nothing.
Sana all.
Though a little loving wouldn't change my mind, it'd still be more than nothing.
May
Nothing just
pakapi.
ain't enough.
May pakapi, oh.
I won't ask,
Pakapi. Na naman tayo.
but I need more than nothing.
Pwede na.
And though a little of what you've got wouldn't have a shot, it's still just more than nothing.
Mag-walker tayo.
And that just won't do.
Kaya natin namin ang toilet first. Ganda naman. Oh, grabe ang toilet nito.
And if you want this loving, you better change your act.
Grabe ang kanyang toilet. Super.
And that's just a fact. Hey, that's the bottom line. And if you want this love of mine, gotta do much
Grabe ang
more.
kanyang toilet.
Walking out that door, nothing ain't enough. That's for sure. Nothing ain't enough.
Upgraded siya. Oh, ba? Automatic. More hanger. Walang wala siyang patsinilas ata. Oh, may ano dito. Small fridge. Tingnan natin mo. Ano lang. Oh, ang dami laman dito. Chocolate, water, Pepsi. Ano to? May beer.
Legends. Kape.
Kape may. May ano pa siya. May whiskey. Jameson whiskey. Irish whiskey. Ulan laman. Ito. Dalawang kaso. Lights, blinds. Ito ba? Pababa. Ayan siya. Baba siya. Tapos pagpataas naman, ano naman to? Ilaw. Mga ilaw. Yan, mga ilaw pala yan. Mga pa-ilaw. 24 degrees siya. Tamang-tama lang leader na yan. So, yan ang ating hotel tour. Mayroon siyang TV. Mayroon siyang pa-water. Mayroon siyang minibar.
Isang sopa para sa sapatos.
Mayroon siyang upuan.
Mahilig kasi siya sa ganito yun.
Special gamit hotel. Dalawang baso. Magkano tayo? Yes. Towel, dry. Ang para sa pa. Ayan, taas na ano. Ang mga room niya. Tingnan mo sa ilalim. Ooh. Good morning, Budapest. Eh, lang katabi lang namin yung St. Stephen sa Basilica. Medyo foggy siya ngayon. Umagang kay ganda, Budapest. Foggy siya, foggy. Yan lang ang katedral, ay Basilica. Katabi lang. Breakfast muna tayo. Kailangan yung baba ko. Bukas dyan, amin. Zenobia Restaurant. So, breakfast muna kami. Second day in Budapest. So, we're going for breakfast. Okay, so mag-almusal muna tayo. So, ang almusal is
Muna ako dyan mamaya.
So dito ang almusal natin. So ayan ang breakfast room. Yan ang breakfast room dito sa Italy. Yan ang wine bar nila. Wine bar nila. Good morning, Budapest. For two. Yes. Thank you. Can we sit down here, yeah? Can we sit down here, yeah? Yeah. Thank you. So, ayan ang Budapest. Yan lang So, we'll see their breakfast there. Titingnan natin anong breakfast nila. So, it's a little bit foggy today. Second day in Budapest. Yeah. Ganda ng ano nila. Breakfast area. Talaga napaka cozy. Cozy. So, ayan ang breakfast here. Tingnan natin anong pagkain nila dito. Tingnan natin ang kanilang traditional food. Now, tayo naman nakakakuha ng breakfast natin. Pagtayin na natin ang breakfast nila dito. Ang ganda dyan It's just, ganda naman rin ang cozy breakfast nila. So, ang ganda dito, super. Ganda. Beautiful place. So, ano tayo ng breakfast nila dito. No? Ang ganda. Ooh, look at this breakfast. Plates, bowls. Nice. Coffee. Breakfast. Okay. Sausages, bacon. What's this? Ooh, soup. Salad din sila. Salad. French markers. Different kind of cheese. Yes. Yung blue cheese. Medyo maaga pa. Bread. Fruits. Alabis fruits. Bread natin at sa fruits. Petrichor. May mga juice din sila dito. Juice. Apple juice. Water. So yan ang ating breakfast. Paano pala to? Starter pa lang to. Coffee, juice. Masarap tayo guys. Unang breakfast sa Budapest. Ang ganda ng breakfast nila dito. Yung tubig na lang. Ayan, good morning Budapest. Ayan. Tambay-tambay muna tayo katatapos na kumain. Yan ang rooftop nila. sana doon kami naka-check-in sa 5th floor. Ito ang reception dito ng lobby ng hotel. So dito muna tayo, tambay-tambay muna. Papatonaw katatapos lang ng almusal. Pakiramdaman muna sarili kung baka mamaya habang naglalakad ma-feel natin na mag-toilet. Kaya mainam pa dito muna tayo sa lobby muna. Paano muna tayo. Pa-relax muna. Ang ganda naman ng lobby nila eh. Posing. Lakas ang tubig. Lakas ng rain shower. Ayan. Goodbye hotel moments. Goodbye hotel moments. We're done. Bye bye.
Yung susi.
Lalim. Bye bye moments hotel. Bye bye hotel. More than words.
Nobody's meant to be fighting alone. That's why I'm taking you home. I never felt something like this before, no. Keep coming back for you time after time. Maybe I'm losing my mind, but I know I'll never leave